Today we'll be making some beef and pork rolls with vegetable. So here we have our vegetable, our pork, and our beef strips. Now the beef and pork strips are like bacon, thinly sliced, and then we have various seasoning as well. So our vegetable, we have asparagus as well as Kenya beans. We'll start by seasoning our meat with 1 teaspoon of salt each. Then we'll pour 1 teaspoon of sesame oil each. Then some light soy sauce on each, 1 tablespoon also. Then we have some honey right here. The honey will add some sweetness. And finally we have some Chinese cooking wine. And we'll coat everything with some cornstarch to allow the seasoning to marinate into our meat. So we'll quickly give it a stir and allow it to marinate for about 10 minutes. So for our vegetable, we'll blanch them. We add 1 teaspoon of salt and we'll drop it in our hot water. Then we'll allow it to blanch for about 5 minutes. Then we simply remove it and set aside. Now our vegetable has been blanched, our meat is well marinated. Now we're ready to roll this. So we simply take our asparagus, split it into 2 by hand, and then we'll put 2 of those together in 1 roll. So I'll start with the beef, and we simply get a strip and we roll it tightly around our asparagus. And once that's done, make sure it doesn't fall apart. Then that's complete. So we repeat that process again. We simply break our asparagus, then we'll quickly wrap it with 1 strip of beef. This is a very Japanese style recipe. It's very tasty. So once everything is wrapped, we pan fry them until it's cooked. Then it can be served as an hors d'oeuvre or with our rice or noodles or mash or anything that you wish. So we split it into 2 trays. We have our beef and our pork. Now let's fry them. Now we heat our skillet. We added some coconut oil and we'll fry our beef first. As you can see, we fry them on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, and we quickly flip it. And we can repeat the process again with the pork. So here we have our pork frying away in our coconut oil. Now once that's done, we flip it. Then we can remove it from our pan and give it a few minutes to cool. Here we go, our completed dish. We have our beef and our pork. As you can see, now let's give it a try. I like my beef, so I'll give the beef a try first. As you can see, wow, this is nice and tender. It's just perfect. So awesome. 2 thumbs up. Bon appetit.